Hello everyone, this is David from Grow and Eat This. It's Memorial Day and I wanted to give you an update on the tomato beds. If you remember, I told you I made some brand new beds and I put in brand new dirt that had never seen tomatoes. Memorial Day, so there's lots of lawnmowers. Had never seen tomatoes to see how we could do with the wilt. Well, we've been staring at 90-degree temperatures and 90 plus degrees, and let's see if we can get down in here and look and see. These plants are just spotless, absolutely spotless. This is an early girl that you can see, and it's starting to set fruit. Lots and lots of flowers. Then there's some fruit here on this one. Keep pushing these guys back inside. It's another early girl. These things are better than waist high, so they're a good 3 feet tall. Here's a Roma. Look at all the blossoms on the Roma. Just doing so well. Then we come down, and boy, I tell you, these magic mark, these indelible markers. There's an Ozark Giant. Wow, full of buds. Here's some nice tomatoes sitting here on another early girl. Looks like early girls are going to be the early ones. So this is the first 7. I don't remember ever having tomatoes that look this good at this stage, not in 30 years. They're not leggy. They're super duper dark green, and as you can see, even 1.5 to 2 feet off the ground, they're full of fruit. Look at all the fruit set. This is just phenomenal. And managed to keep some chards hanging in there, kind of got them hidden in between the 2 rows of tomatoes. Then we come down here. No shortage of flowers here. Wow. That's a Roma. Another early girl. This one here is a Jolly hybrid. It's mostly all stem. Hasn't really started, just starting to see a few little buds up on the top. Here's another Jolly hybrid, so it's got to be a later season. Then a Floridate, it's supposed to be able to take a whole lot of heat. Then we come over here to a red pear. But I've been picking the leaves off the bottom, and as I say, they're in soil that has never seen tomatoes before. And these are easily the finest tomatoes I have grown in 35 years here. They're just outstanding. So it looks like soil that's never seen blight in an area of the yard that's never seen any blight, never known a tomato. May be the secret to finally get a harvest. So I'll keep you up with it. I'll have to figure out when I planted these, tell you how long they've been here, but they're just doing fabulous. So if you like this kind of information, please subscribe. Click the like button if it's good. And thank you for watching. It's David at Grow and Eat This.